orientation to Mark Coin Trader here. Real quick update to the day today. So if you take a look today, we had a nice little, well, I'll cover a few indexes, right? This is the SPX, or the futures ES, okay? This is the mini futures. So we got this nice red bar. Well, it was a kind of a drop early this morning and came back. Let me show you the 15-minute chart. So again, I'll review for you. So here's what happened yesterday. Here's what happened after hours. So of course, what I always look for is if during after hours, right, the next day, will it break above the high or the low the previous, previous day after hours? So if I zoom in over here, here is, what is today? Wednesday. So if this is Tuesday, Monday was a holiday. But anyway, here's the futures market, right? It opened up down and it came up. So what I was looking for to see if it could break above after hours high, which is basically right here, or the low, and it didn't do either. All right, so yesterday was kind of, we call that an inside day, right? It traded inside the high and the low. And here's what happened, okay, market closes and, after hours, nothing happens. And, in the middle of the night, early in the morning, here's what happened. There's a spike up. We were like, geez, Louise, can this really go higher? Because we're looking at this, right? Hold on. I got to zoom out for you here too. Okay, so, like, look, it's already hit an all-time high here. So is this going even higher? All right. And this is the, the ES futures. And then what happened was, and this is what you're going to, so this is called a gap up. So it closed, I'll zoom in just like, boom, like that. So we closed here the day before, right? And then so it opened up higher. See how the market opened up higher up here? That's called a gap up. From here to here is a gap up. Opened up and then look, bam. And so now I'm looking to see, I love these gap up openings and then they go lower. But I don't know if it's going to stay there. What do I know, right? No one knows anything. Again, if anybody tells you they know exactly which way the market's going, they're full of crap. Run the other way. So anyway, during after hours, right, did it go below the low? Yep. Okay, so now I'll zoom out real quick here. This is a 5-day, 15-minute chart. Okay, and I'll zoom in real quick. It did go below the low. These are 15-minute charts, right? So usually it doesn't go straight down. It'll come back up like this and it'll bounce off. I'm looking for it to bounce. I'll show you the numbers I'm looking at in the ES. Okay. Wait. I want to see for today anyway. I'm watching this number 2409. All right. I want to see it come up here, and that's when I'm going to start watching. Because if it breaks above here, my next stop is here. I do not want it to go above here. I want it to just fall back. I don't want it to get back that high, though, to be honest. Around here is fine. I kind of want it to go down. So on these other charts that I have, my OBV cross and my slow stochastic over here, it'll come up here, and I want it to continue downwards. On the daily chart, all right, here's what I look at. Look at IV rank. IV rank is, let's zoom out. 3.24. That is low. So what I do is I look, when I want to sell some options, I look to see, hey, when was the last time it was that low and how long did it stay there? Okay, see what I mean? And this is, 1 year. So that kind of gives me an idea. Now I'll flash, again, if you want to link to these charts, I give them to all my subscribers for free. Send me an email. Just thumbs up this video. Subscribe on the bottom at the end, and shoot me a message and say hi. All right, I'll get them over to you. I'm going to add some studies on here. I'm going to show this other chart real quick. Here it is. All right, and let me just make sure it's set up right. I don't know why it looks like that. Oh, it should be right. Time. Okay, good. So what I'm looking at here is I'm looking at IV rank, and this is ES. See? Yeah, it doesn't stay that low very long. All right, and now I'll switch over to SPY real quick, just so you can see the difference. Should be pretty close. IV rank is now 7. Whoop-de-doo, right? I'll zoom in a little bit here. See? It won't show. There you go. Well, how you can tell where IV rank is, you look right here. Red means that's not good. See, IV rank is right here in the red. All these are built into your charts that I set up. So in SPY, what I'm really looking for is I want this to turn red. Because once this turns red, you'll see it come back down. And I really wanted to test this 233-day moving average I have over here. Okay, let's check IWM real quick. IWM is something you might want to consider because why? It's cheaper. Okay, it's about half the price. And you know what I like about IWM? Check this out. Nice orderly drop. Well, I'll zoom in. See, look. Stair step, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down. And this high right here is not above these highs over here. So I want this to continue to go down. I want this to go red. Okay, and then this will still be red, and hopefully this continues down. It sucks. I kind of wish this was up here, and up here, and it would be a nice freaking hard drop. We'll see what happens. Look at IB rank compared to SPY, 15. All right, so I'll go back again. Sometimes I zoom out, right click, auto zoom, it'll zoom out to 1 year, and I go, when was the last time IB rank was at 15? Okay, so I can just kind of go like that. Wow. And it kind of gives you an idea of what happens. You know, not what happens, but, you know, at least gives you some context around it is a better way to phrase it. All right, so, I mean, after this large move right here, kind of wanted to retrace at least halfway, which is at least down to here. You know what I mean? So we'll see what happens. And IB rank should pop though. If this can pop, this is a great opportunity here. Okay, let's look at QQQ for your golden geckos and all this other stuff. You can do these. My private clients know what to do. My private coaching members, they know what to do. If you're brand new and you're seeing this, you might want to just start off with the standard golden gecko, or maybe just half of one, you know, on the put side. All right, let's look QQQ. Wow, what is QQQ doing today? Oh, look at the IB ranking QQQ though. All right, so same process, right? I'll go to the 15-minute chart. Wow. Okay, and I want this to go lower too though. This has been strong as well. I mean, look at this. Jeez Louise. It's weird. I look at this every day and I still get amazed. Okay, so as you can see here, see, it's kind of turning over. So we want that to happen. It's not red yet. This is way up here. It's got to trace down. Hopefully we get traced down a bit. Hopefully it gets going that way. Diamonds. Hold on. Yeah, same thing, but not nice and orderly. You know, nothing too clean. See how nice and clean that is? That's nice. QQQ back to QQQ. Yeah, we got it. Jeez, look at these highs. That could be Apple though. I think Apple is in Facebook's huge part of the diamonds right here. Oh, wow. Okay, this is down. Yeah, hopefully this goes down some more. Okay, so, but the real chart is, and you really want to get to know this, is load your IB rank only chart. Oh, whoops, wrong one. That's my IB rank level. It's a little bit harder to understand. Let's just do this one. Okay, so, and I'll go back to, well, this is Dow Jones. You can go SPY. It doesn't really matter. But this is kind of what I look at. All right, so I'm zoomed in a little bit, 1 year daily. I can zoom back out, but I'm just kind of, look at this. High, down. Okay, so, yeah, if we can get this thing to spike a little bit higher, we'll be in good shape to put on some additional trades. Okay, so I'll switch this back to /ES because this is what I watch most of the time, just to keep myself entertained and keep myself engaged. All right, so here we go. And if you notice, I set up a 4-grid pattern so I can go back and forth really quickly. See, here's my 5-day 1-minute chart. All right, and then if I hit this button right here, it'll scroll through all these 4 different charts I've set up. Good. See, I like. Let me zoom out real quick. Oh, I can't zoom out. Can I? A little bit. Yeah. Look at that. So I want it to fail. I want it to fail hard, or orderly, I should say. I want it to stay red and keep on going down on a downward trend. This is the 1-minute chart. So each tick is a 1 minute. Here's my 15-minute chart. Okay. Now let's check out the grid. Like, hey, so this is a great idea, and I'll go into another video on why I like focusing on the indexes later, but hold on, let me clear this. Let's go to the grid. Oh, sorry, close this. Let's go to the grid real quick. Let's see what's hot. Let's go to liquidity, IB rank that way. Let's do filter. I want to exclude earnings within the next 54 days. I want IB rank only at 50 or higher. Okay, whatever, leave it. And I'm going to take off these. And let's reset. Wow, this is nice. A lot more. These all have IB ranks of 50 or higher. And there are no, geez Louise, I can't move my mouse today. And there are no earnings in the next 54 days. I should change this to 60. And the reason why is as you get closer to earnings, IB rank tends to go high. So if there's no earnings in the next 60 days, it shouldn't, hopefully it doesn't affect IB rank. Now take a look. Okay, let's do the same thing, but let's just go to Tasty Trade stocks. This is the stock. See, big difference. Look at that. Okay, so Pandora. EWZ is one. Brazil, you got to watch out for. Let's go to the default. Tasty Trade default. Nothing there. Let's go to notables. Okay, so here's all the nice hybrid. So these are options you can take a look at. Let's go to high options volume. Okay. All right. Interesting. Let's go to the market. It doesn't show me that. Tom's watch list. He's watching these. Okay, so it gives you an idea. That's how you do it. Just click on the grid and set up like that, and you can kind of see some stuff. That's live. I like liquidity because liquidity means easier to get in and get out. Okay, I'm just going to stick to the indexes for now because I got to do some digging. Take some time. For example, I'll just show you. See, if you click on this, 100% BCRX, what is this? Ooh, pharmaceuticals. You want to stay away from biotech. But you can. I mean, you can do a golden gecko. Just, I'll show you why. Sometimes it's scary. Okay, and I'll zoom out a little bit. Oh, yeah, see, it's too cheap. What is this? Oh, yeah, I can't do it. Can't do it. It's too cheap. So you want to look for, I didn't even look at that. I was so focused on the IB rank, I didn't even look at that. So you got to stay away from penny stocks or things that are too cheap. Yeah. So anything that has some meat in it, what is this? Oh, this is Meat Johnson. Okay, so I'll go, oops, bring this in. Click on this. I'm looking close to 84 and 2 for standard just to see the numbers. But can't really get there. See, wow. To see the strikes don't see what I mean by liquidity. The strikes don't really fall in line. You know, you got two choices. So yeah, let's clear that. I don't want to look at that. Anyway, that's just kind of my exercise. You can go through the same thing. I'm not going to sit here and have you guys watch that. All right. Again, you can toggle. This is my daily chart. Here's my weekly chart even, so you can see the huge trend there. I'll stick on my 15-minute chart for now because I'll watch that. Again, feel free to subscribe, like, thumbs up, and shoot me a message, say hi, and I'll get you on my chart if that's what you want. Questions on some private top time, let me know as well. Have a great day. Bye.